Ayaan was 27 years old when he finally decided he'd had enough. Enough of avoiding conversations. Enough of staying quiet in meetings. Enough of saying, "My English is not good." He had been learning English for years, books, apps, school classes, but when it came time to actually speak, his mind went blank. He felt nervous, ashamed, frozen, until one day something changed. Ayaan had an online job interview for a remote company in Canada. The job was perfect for him. But there was one problem. The interview would be in English. He had 2 months to prepare. He looked in the mirror that night and whispered to himself, "I'm not wasting another year. I will speak fluent English. I have 60 days. Let's do this." Ayaan sat at his desk and made a plan. He wrote, "I don't need more information. I need transformation. No more only watching videos. No more just reading. From now on, I speak every day. Even if I sound stupid." He created a rule. Speak English for at least 2 hours a day, no matter what. How? He talked to himself. Out loud, every morning and every night. At first he felt silly, but he kept going. Ayaan discovered a method called shadowing. He would listen to a native speaker say a sentence, and then immediately repeat it out loud, copying the accent, rhythm, and emotion. He practiced with podcasts, TED Talks, even Netflix. "I'm not just learning English," he told himself. "I'm absorbing it." Within a week, his pronunciation started changing. He no longer sounded unsure. He started sounding natural. He found language exchange partners online. At first, he was terrified. What if I make a mistake? What if they laugh? But he quickly learned something powerful. People don't care about your mistakes. They care about connection. He made friends in Brazil, Japan, and South Africa, practicing English with him daily. Ayaan took it to the next level. From day 20, he stopped translating from his native language. He forced his brain to think in English all day long. Every object he saw, he named it in English. Every thought, he spoke it out loud in English. Shopping lists, plans, even arguments in his head, English only. His brain began to switch. He covered his bedroom wall with sticky notes. Each note had a phrasal verb, a daily expression, a mini conversation. He read them every morning. Every week, he added more. His vocabulary exploded, not from memorizing long lists, but from using words in real-life context. Ayaan started recording himself speaking. Every day, he chose a topic. My future goals. A difficult decision I made. A funny childhood memory. He spoke for 5 to 10 minutes, then played it back. Yes, it was hard to hear his own voice. Yes, he noticed mistakes. But each day, he got better, clearer, more confident. With just 5 days left before the interview, Ayaan scheduled 3 mock interviews with native speakers from online platforms. He practiced introductions, small talk, describing his experience all in English. The first session, he stuttered, sweated, forgot words. The second, he improved. By the third, he smiled, spoke clearly, and for the first time, he felt fluent, nervous, yes, but not afraid. He logged into the call, smiled, and said, "Good morning. It's great to meet you." He answered every question, not perfectly, but authentically. He listened. He connected. He laughed. And when the call ended, he felt something powerful. Proud. 1 week later, an email arrived. Subject: job offer, congratulations. Ayaan had done it. He didn't become fluent by magic. He became fluent by speaking every single day, not waiting for confidence, building it through action. What Ayaan learned: if you're trying to speak English fluently, here's his advice. Speak every day, even to yourself, out loud. Shadow native speakers. Copy their rhythm. Think in English. Stop translating. Talk to real people. Make mistakes proudly. Record yourself. Notice your progress. Stay consistent. Fluency doesn't come from luck. It comes from daily, brave effort. English is not just a language. It's a doorway to confidence, to freedom, to a bigger life. Don't wait. Start speaking. Your fluency is already waiting for you.